Kakarkhana kam jngohkai hamikhalia klashak ta jurmenta hadin bakawai ka kinhun seng balang kala khang bat pin pha ya kinong shongkai perthei bat ki kali tourist ki bawan asam banet kai shakithan sora bat dauki kabalam shaka jingdu nong ka bakot hadu laipo persen na ki jingwai jakasa bat kiwi kiwi ka kinhun ki betre hi kam jngohkai perthei hajalla kala pendam juri kani ka jingjia bat pentep batang namar kani ka kam bashi sngi jong kani ka seng balang ka jingtrei shitom jongki bat ki snem ban kyntiew ka kam jngohkai perthei hamikhalia kala shulong leno ilut Kanika Kanhon Kakantubia Kaseng Tour Operators Association of Meghalaya, Meghalaya Rural Tourism Forum, Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum, Tour Guides Association of Meghalaya, Central Body, Federation of Shillong Hotels Department of Tourism and Travel Management, Martin Luther Christian University, Micro Department of Tourism and Hotel Management, NEHU. Kilapin paru ya kajing kami inti batang namar kani kajing le kani kaseng bhalang sa 10% ki brio ki betmuan ka shajilla kin sa sange banwan kai na dola shai kasngi namar kani ka khubor bajia ki nang sangkai perthai hinne kasngi kala porstat shakleng ki jaka hapo kari kani ka kin hon kala pan map na kabinta ki pajba ka jilla meghalaya ki be ya kajing suk ya ki nang sangkai perthai halor ke ka bajia hinne kasngi par karpat ki bekin wan nyuk chak biang ha meghalaya
aware that what happened today was in fact so to say, a very sad day for us in the tourism industry in Meghalaya, where we have seen that tourists coming to our state to visit the tourism spots, beautiful tourism spots of our state, especially in Sora and other Dauki area, they were turned back. It is a big surprise for them, as it was also a big surprise for us. Because for the first time we have seen tourists were sent away. It took us many years as tourism stakeholders in the state to build up this tourism footfall that we are having today, what we are enjoying today. Many years we had to even woo tourists to come to this place. We have to tell them, we have to explain to them, please come visit our state. It is a beautiful state, although the infrastructure is not up to the mark. But please bear with us, come to us, to our place, so that we can build the livelihoods of the tourism and we can build this tourism industry, whatever you have seen today, because of that kind of what you call the call from us tourism stakeholders for the tourist people to visit this state. But unfortunately, what happened today, what all the efforts that we have put up for so many years has come to as naught. I say not because whatever happens today, you have seen within the next few minutes and hours, first few hours, that incident where the tourists were turned out by an NGO there in Umtenar has spread across the country and far and wide, maybe outside also, because of social media. And many calls, we as tourism stakeholders, we got so many calls from all over the place, and people said that what it is an unfortunate incident that happened in your state. We never expect that a Meghalaya, a state which is really known today as one of the top tourism state in the country, such thing can happen in this state. So this is one thing which we felt bad, and that's what we felt that we should come together and we should, as one voice, we have so much bad feelings today. All of us, our hearts were pained with what happened. So we came here, and we have so many associations here. I've come here I'm president of the Tour Operator Association of Meghalaya, and we have the president of Federation of Shillong Hotels here. We have from president of Meghalaya Rural Tourism Development Forum. We have also Meghalaya TDF Meghalaya Tourism Development Forum. We have the Tour Guide Association of Meghalaya. And we have also our knowledge partners from universities, from MLCO and other universities who are giving us the tourism knowledge, whatever required as stakeholders. They are our knowledge partners. They also felt the pain and they came today here. And we have various other bodies, other forums and other associations which are directly and indirectly dealing with tourism. And we all with one voice we came today, and we want to show to the world and want to tell everybody that we are very unhappy with what happened today, and we have come here to see that our interests, our tourism business in the state is being protected, and at the same time also we want to say that all those who are in the tourism business and those who are not in the tourism in the business but enjoying the fruits of tourism, that they also they feel the pain today. And I feel that one thing we would like to say and apologize to all the tourists that have been affected today from our side, from the tourism stakeholder side, and that they should not feel whatever what happened today is unfortunate from our side. But then we would like to welcome them back to Meghalaya, and we would like to see that all the tourists comes to the Meghalaya state, because we need them, and we would like to see that we keep on growing in this tourism sector, because this is one of the sector that gives a maximum employment to the state. We have so many youths here which are unemployed, but tourism is one industry, so to say, in the industry which is really giving benefit to all those who are affected by unemployment.
Jing ajumot hin nakalian jungi galong ba nang ni shikhyllipmat continue ki issue jong pi tang ba burom ko ika jak po juki be tena keren ni kani lasai ka sing kan sodon ke jalan ba he ba po like kro ngojrong ti ka ba barok khat kistik hullo jong tourism ki bade nong dong kin sai shimenta ban penpawi ka jing persya alor ka jing jam ne ski ba ban keren sali kum no ban penting kenapa mungkin ki jing ja nang ni shikhyllipmat ke ban ja shu